Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the same Microsoft or Exchange account is active on both devices, because identical credentials create a single synchronized mailbox. Next, update Outlook on mobile and desktop so protocol differences don't block sync. Make sure you are online. Then enable the proper access method, modern authentication or Exchange Active Sync, if your organization requires it. Once done, sign into Outlook on the phone with the same account and allow requested permissions so mail, calendar, and contacts can begin syncing. Now you focus on the detailed configuration that actually controls what syncs and when. On both devices, confirm server type is Exchange/Office 365 and correct server address if you entered settings manually. This ensures proper folder mapping. Choose Push for real-time updates or Fetch for periodic checks, and set mail retention like 30 days to limit data. Also enable contacts and calendar sync and verify sent, drafts, and archive map to the server folders so changes on one device reflect on the other. Finish by validating two-way sync. Send a test email from one device and edit a calendar event on the other, then confirm both updates appear. If things don't match, clear the app cache, reauthorize the account, or remove and re-add the account to force full resync. Make sure device time and date are correct and corporate security policies or conditional access aren't blocking connections. One key troubleshooting tip: re-adding the account often resolves folder mapping and token issues that simple refresh won't fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.